Hello guys, so I've been here in Croatia already for 10 days, and let me tell you, these 10 days is fly. So we come because we need to attend wedding. My husband's niece is getting married in a church. They are already have last year, I think, this wedding. They are married in the, how is that called, like citizen wedding, but they are now married in church and they already have a child, so we need to meet the child and to attend this church wedding, and it was very fun. And this wedding party is very big, so many people. We didn't stay late. I think around 1 o'clock in the night we go home. Some people stay till dawn and this was very fun. I record wedding. I didn't want to post here because I don't know, will people want to be seen on the internet, but I was recording it because this church wedding was very interesting to me, because I never been in the wedding in this Orthodox church. So they are get married in Orthodox Serbian church, and we are looking. They get some crown on the head when they get married, and this is so fun and interesting. So I was recording, and I want to have this like memory forever. And I was thinking I will upload videos normally like I usually do every 5 days, but let me tell you, so much things you need to do. My husband working on our house here, he makes some things for enjoy here in the yard, and everything is so much stress for him. He looking for materials, and I'm always with my daughter. I want to spend time with her because I miss her dearly. Even we talk every day on video chat, but this is not the same. So then he must go into dentist, and I must go for the eye doctor because I need new glasses, and we are now officially old people's problems. So I take two new glasses to have in Germany. And let me tell you, I didn't even notice, but my vision is bad, and I do have some glasses for reading, but it is not, my vision is go wrong totally, because I have these old glasses for 3 years and I didn't go to doctor, so now I need to have new one, but never mind. This is all, don't have to do anything with this painting, because this is a part of my, I will leave a link somewhere in the description or here on the video so you can see if you are interesting. So this is the part of my series where I paint birds for 50 days, every day one bird painting, and I make some, I don't know, I didn't like in the beginning, but then I make one portrait of owl, and I was thinking, oh my god, why I didn't record this, because this is so beautiful. And then I start to record some of these paintings, and that is all. I will leave you now. I just want to say that I'm working with gouache here. This is a cheap gouache from Temu, nothing special, and also my brushes are nothing very expensive, just normal brushes for gouache and or for watercolors, I don't know. Even I don't recommend to use same brushes for watercolors and for gouache, because gouache is a thick medium, and I think you need to keep your watercolor brushes safe from gouache, acrylics and other aggressive mediums. So now I'm leaving you with this cute music, and thank you very much for watching. I'm really love this painting. I love how I make this shadow on the wall, and I love how I make this rusty pipe and bird only, and these clouds. Only thing I don't like is why I cut this wall off. I really don't know, but you know, when you're working on something and when you're in the zone, you don't know what you're doing exactly. You just see when painting is over your mistakes. But I didn't want to fix, because I think this looks cool. Maybe this wall is missing some part here, and that is all. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.